Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP CMS plugin installation on Bitnami Redmine virtual image. Okay, so for this purpose, I'm going to use the VirtualBox as a software for virtualization. However, you're free to use any other program that you like. It could be a VMware or anything else. It is up to you. Okay, so we have the Redmine 511 stable. Okay, we start it on our VirtualBox and wait for our virtual machine to just begin. Okay, it needs some time to start. Alright, so we log in with the default credentials that are Bitnami and Bitnami. And now it is saying that our Redmine is located onto the following IP address. If you would like to double check this, then you can use the command hostname I. So it is confirmed that this IP address is the one that our Redmine is currently accessible. So let's go and try to see if this is correct, just as a confirmation. So here we need again a couple of seconds to wait, because a Redmine needs some time to burn up and start its processes. It depends on the computer. Okay, in my case it is about 30 seconds. Okay, so we are logged in as user, and this is also the default username, that is user, and the default password. It is for better understanding. However, if you like, you could change it anytime. It is, yeah, up to you again. Okay, so if we go to our Redmine on administration and then information, then we confirm that we have Redmine 511 stable installed, and there are already installed some other plugins. At the end of this video, we are going to have the CMS plugin installed here. Alright, so let's return back to our command line. Now we change our directory to opt Bitnami Redmine plugins and list these plugins. Okay, so these plugins are here on the front end Redmine, and these are the same on the back end. Now I'm going to download the latest CMS plugin version here. I'm going to use the wget command. However, you can use other methods. For example, you could go to machine here and then file manager, and here on the left you will have your computer already logged in automatically, and on the right you have to log in as your virtual machine or your virtual Bitnami Redmine. So you use the credentials that are already showed here in the beginning. So when you log in here, you can just copy paste the file from your computer to your virtual machine using the following arrow here. So yeah, this is another method, and also you can use any other file sharing method that you like. It is up to you, but in my case I'm going to use the wget. Okay, so I just copy paste the link that is pointing to the latest RedmineUP CMS plugin. So here is our link and the wget command. So when I click on enter, it downloads the zip file into the plugins folder. If you'd like to double check if this is correct, we use the list command, and here it is, RedmineUP CMS zip file. Okay, so we unzip it with the unzip command. Okay, and now we'll remove the zip file as we are no longer needing it afterward. Okay, if you would like also to check if everything is correct, here is our folder of the RedmineUP CMS. So we are done with this step completely. Let's go back now to the previous directory and run bundle install. This command is going to install all the needed gems that are going to be used by your CMS plugin. So in our case it is 87 gems that are now installed. It is in green, so all is fine. Here are some warnings. They are in orange, so you can just skip them. They are for the developers and they are not going to harm the work of the plugin. So yeah, please just ignore these messages here. Okay, and the next step that you have to do is to do the migration of the database. So it's going to be done via bundle exec rake Redmine plugins, and here it is the name of our plugin, which in our case is RedmineUP CMS, and the environment that is production. Okay, URL self, it is production. So we click enter, and wait a couple of seconds. Okay, so we see that the following rows here are showing us that the migration of the CMS is successfully done. So we see that the pages tree is migrated, the votable migration is migrated, the change pages content limit and so on. All the database migrations are done. Okay, and the very last step, but also it is very important, is to restart everything. Okay, so it is done with the command sudo opt bitnami control script and then restart. And here it is restarting services. Everything is now restarted. Okay, and also you can do it in another way. So you can just shut down your virtual machine and then start it again. It is going to do absolutely the same thing. However, with this command it is a bit faster. Okay, so let's go back to our browser and just refresh our Redmine to double check and see what is happening and if our installation steps are good. We wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to load because it has been restarted and it needs some time for start again. Okay, so we see RedmineUP CMS plugin is successfully installed on our Redmine 511 stable. Here it is. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.